exactly thumbs up came into the market. So what happened in 1977, it's a long back kind of a 1977, when Coca-Cola withdrew from India. Now the reason for withdrew by the Coca-Cola, it is like a India, they have the FDA approval and all that thing. Their government has made mandatory disclosure of the formula. Now when they have made the like a disclosure of a formula compulsory, what happened? Coca-Cola decided to withdraw from the market. And you know, Coca-Cola, it is a very popular kind of a example of a trade secret. So the whenever anybody is talking about a trade secret, generally the name of Coca-Cola will come. So yes, this Coca-Cola withdrew from the market, and then at that time Chauhan brothers, so Chauhan brothers are the owner of a Parle Group. Now they themselves started working on that particular product, like similar to that cola. So already they have the two brands in the market, that is Limca and Gold Spot, very popular in the market. Now they have invested that time, money, energy, whatever you want to say, but they have taken a lot of efforts and a lot of experiments they have done, and they have introduced this thumbs up into the market. And you just imagine in 1980, within that 3 years, this thumbs up become a very popular kind of a soft drink.